Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. I just received this special package from Aimeili in the mail, so let's open it together and see what's inside. It's a beautiful set of 6 gel polishes. Let's take a look at each color individually. These gel polishes are 10 ml, and they're all clearly labeled on the top. This one is number 005. Look at this gorgeous creamy polish. Zero 007. Zero 009. Zero 11. Beautiful white polish. 022. A delicate shade of pink. Beautiful sheer pink that would look great for a French manicure. 023. Oh wow, look at all that sparkle. It has holographic glitters in it. So pretty. This is a gorgeous topper. Wow, this will make any manicure look totally magical. Now we'll cure in the lamp. After curing, I applied a second coat to all the polishes, and this is the final result. They're all beautiful and very shiny. I love that you get 3 different shades of pink to choose from, and the holographic topper is amazing. The black and the white are very pigmented, and I'm excited to start using these in future manicures. Thank you once again to Aimeili for sending me these beautiful products to share with you guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!